हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है। आप सब हमेशा स्वस्थ रहो अपने घर पे और हमारा वीडियो देखते रहो। टुडे वी विल प्रिपेयर ओरियो रसमलाई। आपने बहुत सारी रसमलाई खाई है, सो टुडे वी विल प्रिपेयर ओरियो रसमलाई। यू मस्ट ट्राई एट योर होम। To prepare Oreo rasmalai, we need 100 ग्राम of Oreo biscuit. You can see here, आप इसे देख सकते हैं। मैंने इस 1 पैकेट बिस्किट को ऑलरेडी पाउडर बना के रखा है। So we will first grind this biscuit and before grinding we will remove the cream. हर एक बिस्किट से पहले क्रीम निकाल लेंगे, फिर बिस्किट को ग्राइंड करके पाउडर बनाएंगे। You can see here it is ready here now. Already I kept ready. Now I will make from this powder soft dough. So to prepare soft dough we need milk. Around 100 ml milk we need, but we will pour gradually. धीरे धीरे इसमें मिलाएंगे ताकि इससे अच्छे से अच्छी डो बन जाए। To prepare this dough exactly milk we will require almost 30 to 40 ml. I kept here 100 ml. You just pour slowly because same milk we will need to make dough with this Oreo's cream. Now from this cream we will prepare one more dough. So in this cream we have very less. We will mix in this almost 30 gram desiccated coconut. We will mix nicely, अच्छे से इसको मिलाएंगे। 60 ग्राम मिल्क पाउडर। अब इससे भी अच्छे से एक डो बना लेंगे। While mixing dough, we need some amount of milk. We will pour the milk gradually and we will mix. अब देखिएगा बहुत ही डिफरेंट और बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट ओरियो रसमलाई बनेगी। No tension of chena, no tension of paneer. Now this dough is also ready. Both the dough is ready now. So what we will do, we will make a small ball from the biscuit dough. Not so small, medium size. How we will fill the kachori like that way. And again we will make a small ball from the cream. इसके अंदर stuff कर देंगे. We will stuff like this. From outside we will roll, we will pack like this. One in this color and other we will make white color first. Cream. Then black color we will stuff inside. Now you can see it's ready now. Now we have to prepare the rus for this. Means we have to prepare the thick juice. And you know that to prepare rasmalai, what we need? We need milk. So you can take 1 liter of milk, boil nicely and make so thick it should be half a liter. Already I have prepared from this. It is ready now. While boiling, if you want, you can put saffron, kesar. Then it will get the nice color. Now we will mix in this 1 spoon, almost 30 gram sugar, powdered sugar. Stir and mix nicely. 60 ml condensed milk. It will give rich taste. Now we will dip our flattened roll, which we made from the Oreo biscuit and Oreo cream, one by one, and we will keep this to settle for almost half an hour. We will keep in fridge because we like to eat chilled. We will keep for 30 minutes in the fridge now. Our Oreo Rasmalai is ready now. We will garnish with the chopped dry fruits, even grated pista and cashew. Really, it is very tasty. You must try at home. This is a quick dessert, and all the children like this very much. Ready to eat now. It is very tasty, very delicious. So my dear friends, you must try it at home. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. Thank you.